Hey, I'm JynellTrail, I do air, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hey, I'm JynellTrail, I do air, like, comment, subscribe, and share.
Hello everybody, my name is JynellTrail. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a new viewer, go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below along with your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. So in today's video, I'll be doing this bubbly ponytail. So let's get into this video. So first thing is first, I'm gonna be doing this style on freshly washed hair. So I washed my hair last night, so I just put some twist in it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this down, and I'm gonna go ahead and add some leave-in conditioner. And I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair. I'll be using this brush.
Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me.
Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and part a section from this side to this side with my rat tail comb, if I can find it. Oh, here we go. My rat tail comb.
Chilling by the shores up in Monaco. When you hear the song on the stereo, radio, or a video, sitting by the London night, I can see the blue in your eyes. Way you whining, I'm mesmerized. Makes me wonder why.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and take my Style Factor Edge Booster pomade in the scent Sugar Melon scent. So I normally use the cherry scent, so now I'm giving this one a try. So what I'll be doing is taking my comb, put it in the edge control, then I'll be raking it through my hair, then I'll create my first ponytail. So and I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same step for the front section.
The definition of true beauty in my vision, number one, no competition, so I want you so bad. You're begging, show you no apologies. Let me fulfill all of your fantasies. Hear the song, strings and keys, kicks naughty, bringing back these memories. I can't let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. I'll be loving you in every way. I'll be touching you in every way.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my soft bristle brush. I'm just gonna brush everything up.
I'll be loving you in every way. I'll be touching you in every way. My lady, my lady,
I'm gonna go ahead and go in on top of that with my extreme gel, my wet line extreme gel, just so that I do not have a white residue. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges, and I'll be taking the same edge control to do my edges.
come closer, get a couple drinks, get to know ya, get to know your blue eyes and the way you smile. I can't let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. I'll be loving you in every way.
So now I'm gonna go in with my scarf and I'm gonna tie this down for 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'll be right back to show you guys how to attach the bubbly ponytail, or how to do the bubble ponytail.
Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control.
So I went ahead and I did my makeup. Let me fix you guys. So now I'm gonna go ahead and attach my ponytail. So this is the hair that I'll be using. This is my favorite extension, simply because it matches my hair texture. Thank you guys. So this is the hair. So what I'm gonna do is just take this from the pack and I'm gonna go ahead and split this into 2 halves. Let me see. Yes, I'm gonna split this into 2. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get everything as even as possible. I think this is enough. I'm gonna add just 2 more. 2 more strands. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach the rubber band right here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to achieve the bubble ponytail, or the bubble extension. Add the rubber band. I'm gonna attach this part to my bun. Oh shoot, I forgot to take this off. Like, so I'm gonna go ahead and attach just 1 bobby pin to right here, on the back right here. Right, then I'm gonna take this part and I'm gonna wrap this part around. Just gonna fluff it out a little bit. Then I'm gonna put this, or wrap this part around my bun, like so. Right? Then I'm gonna go ahead and attach another bobby pin. And create my bubbles. This side. Then I'm gonna go ahead and pin that in place. Like that. Another pin right here. And that's that, right? So now I'm gonna go ahead and just bring this over like so, just to cover that part. Then I'm gonna add a rubber band right here. I'm using these small rubber bands, small ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and attach the first one to right here. My rubber band broke. Alright, so let's try that again. I think I'm gonna double them this time. Alright, so I'm gonna double my rubber bands. Attach the first one right here. Pull the hair through. and that's my first bubble. So while you're creating your bubbles, you want to make sure that you're fluffing them out. Then I'm gonna attach another one right here. Again, I'm doubling my elastic bands. Pulling the hair through. And like that, then I'm gonna fluff my bubble. So now that I have all my bubbles completed, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the excess hair off right here, like so. Alright, then to finish off this look, I'm gonna go ahead and add some ear accessories. And you can get this at your local beauty supply. They were $1.99, so almost $2. So cut that open, and I'm gonna attach them to where the rubber bands are. Open it up like this. Attach it here.
Come closer, get a couple drinks, get to know ya. Get to know your blue eyes and the way you smile. I can't let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know.
For the base of the ponytail, I'm just gonna take 2 strands and I'm just gonna wrap it around like so.
Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control of me. I'll be loving you in every way.
And that's that. So now I'm gonna go in with my olive oil. Yeah, there you go. Some olive oil.
I'll be touching you in every way. My lady, my lady, let you go. Got a couple things I wanna.
So this is the finished look, you guys.
Comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. Let you go. Got a couple things I wanna let you know. Girl, come close and get comfortable. Girl, I like the way you always take control on me. Anywhere you want, I will carry go. Chilling by the shores up in Monaco. When you hear the song on the stereo, radio, or a video.
So that is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn your post notification bell on. And you guys, we're on the road to 1K subscribers, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to come on over and subscribe to my YouTube channel and help me get there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.